Welcome. Using business rules for each control to manage whether show or hide it on the form. Validate values based on the predefined logics, or trigger the events when value changes. In this tutorial, let's learn how to set up business rules for your form controls. Let's start from the travel request form we created in the previous session. Here I just added a new radio button. Let's change the name to Priority. Use the dynamic display rules to manage how to display this control. Click the Create Rule button. Click the Settings button on the rule line to open the expression editor. And select the priority from the workflow variables. And set the conditions as equal to high. Then from the drop-down list of action, select Set Background and select red as the background color. Let's do a preview. If we select high as the value of priority, the background color changed to red. You can also show or hide a control based on the value of other fields. For example, the travel type includes two options, domestic and international. Select Business Purpose and click Create Rules under the Dynamic Display Rules. In the expression editor, set Travel Type equal to International, and select Hide from the Action drop-down list. Then if we select International from the Travel Type list, and Business Purpose control will hide from the form. Let's select the hotels, which is a currency control. Click the Create Rule button under the Custom Validation section. Set rules with the Expression Editor window. And set the validation logic as when the travel type is equal to domestic and the value of hotels greater than 500. Then set the display message. The validation rule will be triggered once the validation is met. Select the business purpose and click Create Rule under the Event Rules section. Once the value changed and the condition is met, the predefined action will be triggered. Let's see the condition as the travel type equal to international and the business purpose equal to marketing activity. Then change the value of priority to high. Let's test this function in the preview model. The priority is changed to high when we select the marketing activity from the business purpose drop-down list. By setting those rules, you can add more complex logics to your form and get it more powerful. To learn more about Form Builder, check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching.